Welcome to POS Pronto Register for Beginners. Here you're able to open the register. You're able to click here or here. For example, clicking here. Register is closed. Do you want to open register? You say OK. Here you're able to add how much money you have in your register. Let's say you have 32. The price is going to show here. And you open. Over here, you see it's already blinking. It means it's ready to use the barcode scanner. You're able to click on the category. You can click, for example, in cookies, start to show cookies. You're able to see bakery, start to see bakery. Here in this screen, show up the product name, the image, the final price, and the quantity available. When you click on these images over here, it starts to show over here on the invoice screen in here, okay? Like when you're ready to pay, you make a payment. Here in this screen, you're able to see the value is at $7.98. Let's say somebody paid $10. You have a change of $2.02. You click in cash, and the print is already printing. Here you're able to see the change again, 202. And if you click here, it's going to be ready for the next customers. This is a quick introduction of our POS Pronto register.